again for another video. And I just realized we are on week 7. So that means we've been away from each other for over 2 months. That is a long time to be missing someone. So that is for me to tell you that I miss you guys so much. I really do. Like, I miss your faces. I miss interacting with you guys. I miss everything. But it's for the best. We gotta stay quarantine, and we gotta stay out of houses and keep ourselves safe and our families and everybody, right? It's good for everybody. So let's keep it that way. This week for my second graders, we are going for math. We're doing math, ELA. This week it's science, not social study. So, and we know that we still gotta do iReady for 30 minutes for math, 30 minutes for math, and 30 minutes for reading or ELA, right? But for my second graders, for math, we are going to be identifying, describing, and drawing two-dimensional shapes based on attributes of the shapes. Alright, we went over this a little bit when we were in school, so you should be familiar with almost everything that we are going to be going through during this time. So that is why I do not really stress out, because we've gone over some of them, most of them. This is what we're going to be doing. We went over two-dimensional shapes before, so you should be familiar with it. And for ELA, we are going to be using dictionary or glossary to find the meaning of unknown word. This we did not have a chance to do it, but it should not be too difficult. With the help of your parents, your guardians, right? You should be able to do it. Even if you do not have a dictionary at home, this should be very easy to do on the web, like on the website. You can find a dictionary. You can even download the dictionary app on your phone, on your tablet, on your iPad, and you should be familiar with it. Dictionary goes from it uses the letters of the alphabet, right? A, B, C, D until up until Z, right? If you come across a word that starts with A, like apple, right? You will go on the A section, and then you will find it. You will open it, and then you will find the definition of the word apple, so on and so forth, right? And for science, we are going to be identifying materials as solids, liquids, and gases. Like, we know water has 3 states, right? We know water can be solid, it can be liquid, and it can also be gas. Like, if you have the liquid one, the one that we're drinking, right? When we have water that we're drinking, that form is liquid. And when we're cooking with it, we see the gas coming out, right? So that's the gas form. And if we put it in the freezer, in a little container, it'll freeze, and that's the solid form of water. So that's what we are going to be working on. And for my third graders, we're also gonna be doing the same thing: math, ELA, science for this week, and iReady is mandatory. 30 minutes for math and 30 minutes for reading or ELA. And for my third graders, for math, we are going to be recognizing fractions greater than 1. We went over fractions a little bit, but right before we went on break, or this happened, Corona happened. So you should be familiar with it a little bit. And with the help of your parents or guardian, which are doing a fantastic job, and I cannot thank them enough, you should be able to do it. Just watch your videos and make sure you are submitting your work. And for ELA, we are going to be using graphics or illustrations such as maps, pictures, graphs, and an informational text to answer questions. We did math for social study and science, right? So you should be familiar with math. But this time we are going to be using it in different contexts in ELA. So you can be able to answer questions in the text, right? And for science, we are going to be recognizing that plants use energy from the sun, air, and water to make their own food, right? It's like we cook our own food, but plants, they use the sun, they use air, and they also use water to make their own food. That's why they blossom. We see the leaves, right? Some of them give us fruits and vegetables so we can be healthy, so we can eat them, right? That's how they make their own food. So hopefully you guys are watching the videos, you guys are reading the directions, you guys are doing your work. So all of this should be pretty easy with the help of your parents and guardians, of course. And just make sure that you guys are checking out the announcement tab on Canvas. So that's where I have all the information. And I also posted a link that can take you to virtual field trip. How fun is that, guys? That link, if you click on the link, you'll find this page. Let's see. The page will be just like that, right? It'll be just like that. And if you click on any of the ones that are like the blue ones, the red one, green one, if you click on any, it'll take you to a virtual field trip. Like we have the zoo, we have Mars, we have other countries, right? We even have China, we have Boston, we have Paris, right? And I wish we could have been in the classroom so we could go in those virtual field trips. But you can still do it at home with your parents, right? How fun is that? So hopefully you guys are doing really well. Please listen to your parents, do as they say, and I'll see you guys in the next video, or when I talk to you on FaceTime or a video call. I miss you guys, really, so much. I really do. All right.